I will tell you the truth here. Why I open my live? Actually, I don't have stress. I just want to sing. What happened to all of you? Why always blaming Vicky? Wait lang na. Please turn off the minimize the voice. Turn off. Pahina yan, pahina yan. Actually, this is my YouTube. I open live here to just singing. I didn't get any igibuya to all of you there. I didn't give you any stress. But my husband called me a while ago and he get too much angry. Wikre, this is my YouTube channel. I can do whatever I want. But why all of you get angry? I didn't do anything wrong actually. Nak, nagayar ba? Amber ba lang ko, nak? How to do? I can't do anything on my live, on my YouTube channel. I can't do singing, even though what I want, even though I want to sing. Even though my voice is not good, I wanna sing also. I wanna take a rest. I wanna igbuya. But suddenly my husband called me because I turned off my live. Why? I didn't do anything wrong. Please, don't blame my husband. Jibal. My husband didn't do anything wrong. Nado, I didn't do anything wrong. I just want to sing. What happened to all of you? If you didn't want to watch my igbuya, to my live or don't want to listen my voice, just go away. Don't say anything wrong. Because I didn't do anything wrong to all of you. Wait, what happened to all of you? Actually, I don't care if I have subscribers or no. If I have subscribers or don't have subscribers, just please respect to each other. I respect you because you are the sponsors of our main channel. But respect me also. I didn't do anything wrong to you. What happened to all of you? I just want to be happy here. I just want to sing. Then why you blame my husband? Jibal Haji Malago! Wait, I can tell my feelings to all of you. And then suddenly you blame my husband. Haji Malago! Wait, every time you blame my husband, he will blame you also. Oh, Chicha! I just opened my live here to sing, to be happy. Even if you don't like my voice, I don't care. Wait, I just want to be happy. Jibal! Blame my husband. Haji Malago! Haji Malago! Because that's the reason why we are fighting. Ani, I'm just saying here, di ba?
Ano ba problema niya?
You say they are blaming me.
No, nobody blame.
I'm just staying here.
Nobody blame. Ang hina niyo.
Then why you told me stop my life? I didn't do anything wrong. I just want to sing.
Oh, ay, dito tayo. Gusto ko na.
You don't know how hard I feel now. I just want to sing. And then why my husband told me stop life now? When? He told me subscribers get angry. I didn't do anything to one of you. I just want to be happy. Why you call me a one of
Ito,
Haji, don't do want to say what the reason of that? I just want to be happy. I just want to sing. Wait, I get too much stress. If you did want to buy my dishwashing liquid or whatever, I don't care. Please, don't ever teach me what to do. You don't know. You don't know how hard. You don't know how hard I'm teaching you. Even though my husband doesn't care, doesn't know what I feel. I just was surprised. Actually, I didn't do anything wrong here. I'm just thinking, what happened? Actually, I don't care. Whatever, even to many singers singing with his channel, I don't care. Why he care about my channel? This is my channel. I will turn on live whatever I do. I never care about his channel. Even though too much painful. I never care. They never care about me. Okay. This is my channel. I will do what I want. I didn't do anything wrong. I just want to sing. I just wanna shout maybe my heart feelings. But why all of them? But why all of them wanna cut that? I don't have free, free time here in our house. That's why I wanna run away. Actually, I don't know why I'm crying. Because actually I didn't know anything wrong. Not wala yun. Ah, I didn't know what I did wrong. I just wanna say because I just know that I want to express my feelings. That's what I have to do here in our house because I can't go outside. I can't tell anybody about my problem, what is inside. So that's why I wanna sing alone. But I don't understand why Vicky let me stop. And he told me if I want to stop selling my dishwashing liquid, selling my perfume, selling my photo just what? I didn't do anything wrong. I just want to sing on this one. Turn off the ball. Baby. Actually, I really don't know why.